Hey everyone, welcome back to another brand new tutorial. My name is Rishi and you're watching Android Editing. In this video, we will make a very cool gradient background inside of Pixel app using very simple basic tools. But before that, let me quickly introduce today's featured channel, SG Motion Graphics. He is really doing a good work trying to make the PC-like editing in Android using the applications like KineMaster and Pixel app. I have given a link in description. Check out his channel, subscribe him and support him. Now, moving on to the video, first we need some images like this, which represent some facial expressions. If you want all these images at one place, then there is a link in the description to download this image pack, but the file is password protected and the password is hidden somewhere in this video. So watch the complete video to find out the password and then you can unlock the file. So first of all, go to your browser and turn on the desktop site or the desktop view because this makes the work much easier. Then search for unsplash.com and this will take you to a website. Click on the website. Now this website has a variety of images which can be really helpful for your editing, for your thumbnail. As an YouTuber and a creator, I will highly recommend you to go through this website, give this website some time. This website has really great variety of images. So in this case, we need to find some facial expression. So search facial expressions and then we'll click on the portrait option. Okay, so we need this type of facial images which represent some human face. Alright, like this is a very perfect image. You can simply remove the background and then you can use it. This one is also very good. So basically we are searching for an image that has two color combinations so that you can create the gradient easily. And yes, give some time to the website. You will not get the image within few clicks. You need to go through all the images and find out which one really looks good. Let me download this very quickly. All right. Okay, so this is the image which I was talking about. This is a perfect image. It has two color combinations, blue and pink. So yeah, I will be using this image to show the example. All right, so then you have to go to background eraser and simply remove the background. I will be using the background eraser application. You can download from Play Store. And if you still don't know how to remove the background of an image, then just search on YouTube how to remove background of any image using Android and you will get lots of videos. Watch any one of them and then you can easily do it. Take your time and do it slowly, okay? I'm doing it fast, you take your time. Okay, so when you're done, simply save the image and move on to Pixel app. Select the YouTube thumbnail size. From gallery, add the image. Adjust the size and position of the image. Then we will apply the color, the gradient color. Click on the plus. Now if you don't know what is gradient, let me tell it very quickly. This is the left hand side and this is the right side color. And from here you can change the color. And from here you can adjust the color gradient pattern. Alright, so first let me start with the left side. Select the color, click on this option and then click on the image and then you can see here two color. One is blue and the second is pink. So first of all we'll pick the blue color. You can also pick the pink color. Just pick any one color. I'll be clicking on the blue color. Alright, and then on the right side, same way, go to the image and pick the pink color. Okay, so we got a cool gradient here. You can adjust the gradient from here if you want to. Just experiment and see which one looks good. And then comes the most important part of any thumbnail, which is the font. I have seen a lot of you are not using a good font, which makes the thumbnail looks very bad. Here I am using the Colorina font. Now this font works perfect in editing, in designing things, or in technical thumbnails. This font really works great. Adjust the size and position and send the text layer behind the image layer. This is very important thing. Slightly adjusting the size of the text. Okay, it looks good now. Then you can copy the text and add more layers, more text layers, and send them back. And then after doing all these things, if you still have time, select the picture, select the eraser tool and make a proper finish in the hairs, because this really gives a proper finishing touch to your overall thumbnail, which makes the thumbnail look slightly better. But then it depends on you. If you don't have time for this, then just skip the part. Now the thumbnail looks perfect. You can then save it in ultra quality. So that was all for this video. I hope you have learned something new from this video. Drop a like and comment down what videos you want to see next. All the comments are really helpful for me. And share the video with your friends who wants to make a good thumbnail. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and keep creating.